Related literature or review of related literature. Ito natin is corporate brand image, customer satisfaction, and loyalty to selected coffee shops in Makati City by Forbes 2018. So, this is of reviewed literature. Sa madaling salita, ito yung summary ng RRL natin. Pwedeng ito is parang narrative style, proponents, o yung mga tao at year ng pinagkuhanan niya ng mga RRL, kaya ganito yung mapapansin nyo. Okay? The review of related literature and studies has an implication on the present study. All reviews were focused on the corporate brand image, customer satisfaction, and loyalty. The researchers and works of different writers and authors like Nazir, Ali, and Jamil. So, ayan yung mga kasama nila about dun sa topic na yon. Okay, various findings prove